So I'm Officer Zano with the Ocala Police Department. Do you know why I'm stopping you today?
No.
So I'm playing the role of Santa Claus. And on behalf of the Ocala Police Department, I want to give you $100.
What?
Yeah, for Christmas.
Thank you, Jesus. I mean, me out of all people, thank you, Jesus.
You're welcome, man.
God bless
You're
you,
welcome.
brother.
Hey y'all, good evening. I'm Officer Crossman with the Ocala Police Department. The reason
nice
for
to
the
meet
stop, nice to meet you also. The reason for the stop here, you got a tag light out, that's all.
Oh.
Yeah. Have you always had good police encounters?
Yeah, usually.
Have you ever had a police officer give you a Christmas present?
No, not at all.
Well, this police officer on behalf of Ocala Police Department is going to give you a $100 Christmas present.
Are you serious?
Serious as a heart attack.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
You guys from here?
Yes, we live right up the street.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm Sergeant Tuckin with the Ocala Police
Did we park in
Department.
the wrong side?
No, ma'am. But I'm acting as Santa tonight, and I want to give you guys $100.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
Absolutely. You guys have a Merry Christmas, okay?
Thank you.
Absolutely.
So on behalf of the Ocala Police Department, we want to give you a little present, all right? So this is something we do every year. I want you to have a Merry Christmas. It's $100, okay?
No way. Thank you, sir. I've been working all day to work up $100 today.
So
thank you so very much.
all right?
Thank you so very much.
Today I am playing the role of Santa, and I am giving you $100.
Are you serious?
I am very serious.
Are you for real?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Will you do me a favor and just step out real quick so I can just talk to you? It's usually $100 citation. I'm not going to do that to you. Instead, what I'm going to do to you is I'm going to actually give you $100.
Oh, for real?
Yes, sir. Merry Christmas.
I'm actually playing the role of Santa today,
Okay.
and wanted to present you with $100 from the Ocala Police Department and the donors to the city.
Are you serious?
I am very serious. Merry Christmas.
This is so nice. Oh my goodness.